Good evening, folks. Joey Image here with another Apple iPhone unboxing for you on launch day. It is, what the hell is today? It is Friday, September 22nd, 2023. Sorry. And we have got, this will be the same as last year's unboxing, I'm sure, and the year before. I've got right here the iPhone 15 Pro. Blue titanium color and 512 gigs. Let me just pop this open for you. This will be very quick, and again, this will be the same as last year's. So, just picture that video with a different phone. Alright, there it is. Oh, Jesus Christmas, I almost dropped it right out of the box. Comes with the USB-C to USB-C cable, as the 15s are now USB-C, as well as the little sticker gimmick. Wonderful. You no longer need a physical SIM card. Activate your eSIM during iPhone setup. Okay, terrific. I can't do that right now. I gotta go somewhere in about 10 minutes, so that will have to wait. So here we are, and let's pop the front screen protector deal off, and it actually looks really nice. It feels nice. Not sure how well that blue really shows up. It almost kind of looks like barely blue, if I can call it that. Let me pop this light on right here. Might show up a little bit better in the light. It's blue, but it's very subtle is like a good word for it. It's very dark almost. Again, it shows up a little bit better here, but like the back of my chair, like that's blue. This is almost black. Very subtle blue, you can see right there. It feels nice. It feels light. It is, let me see. Oh, it's actually noticeably lighter than my 14 Pro I've got right here. Wow. Yeah, it's very much, I mean, it's noticeably lighter. I like this a lot. This one from last year is the purple version, which you can almost see that too. But yeah, this is noticeably lighter. I like the round edges, and I like the curves on the ends right there. They're not so squared off. I dig that. There's the USB-C port in the bottom. Otherwise, it's an iPhone. You know, they all mostly look the same. Here you go. Enjoy. I don't know. It's an iPhone, man. Like I said, watch last year's unboxing and then the year before, and they're all the same. It's just a different phone. Again, iPhone 15 Pro, titanium blue, 512 gigs of storage. Thank you all for watching. Thank you for subscribing, and I wish you all the best of luck in your smartphone endeavors. Oh yeah, and follow me on social media at JoeyImageYT everywhere. Blue Sky, Twitter, X, Facebook, YouTube. I think Twitch is changed to that now. I'm on Xbox Game Pass. I'm on PlayStation Network. Threads. I don't know what else. Just find me on Instagram. Yeah, just find me, follow me. I'll talk to you later. Thanks for watching.